Hi guys, welcome to example. In today's class we are going to learn how to handle this type of equation, and here we are going to find the value of x. For that I am going to take this equation and I am going to write the equation here to solve that. So if you see here, in denominator x is there and 5 is there. So if we take LCM for 5 and x is nothing but 5 into x is equal to 5x. So in order to get denominator as 5x, I am going to multiple, here x is there, leftover is 5. So I am going to multiple 5 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Similarly here 5 is there, missing is x. So I am going to multiple x in the numerator, x in the denominator. Therefore this equation becomes 5 into 5, 25 divided by x into 5, 5x plus 2 into x is x into x is x square. Here 2 is there, so 2x square. So 2x square divided by 5 into x, 5x, which is equal to 3. So here denominator is same, therefore numerator get added. For 25 plus 2x square divided by 5x, which is equal to 3. So now I am going to shift this denominator term towards right hand side. Therefore in division it becomes multiplication. So therefore 25 plus 2x square is equal to, this is in division. If we shift to right side, then it turns into multiplication. So 3 into 5x. So we'll get the equation like 25 plus 2x square. Here 3 into 5 is 15. X is there, so I'm going to write that x as it. So now I'm going to make this as an equation. Therefore I'm going to shift this 15x towards left side. Therefore I'm going to arrange this equation based on the power. First highest power is x square. So I'm going to write x square. Whose sign is plus, so I didn't put any sign here. Then highest power is x, here plus. If it move to right side, the sign get changed, therefore minus 15x. Here plus 25 is equal to 0. So if you see here, this is in the format of quadratic equation. Normally a quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So let's compare and write the equation. Value of a and b and c. Therefore a is equal to nothing but 2 and b is equal to nothing but minus 15 and c is equal to nothing but 25. Okay. So if a equation is in the form of quadratic equation, we can able to take factorize. So I am going to solve this equation by factorization method. So we already discussed many factorized method, and I make a separate video for factorization also. If you have any doubt, please refer that video. Okay. So the first step for factorization is what? I am going to multiple a and c. This is what the first step. So a is 2 and c is 25. So 2 into 25, which is equal to 50. And the second step is what? I am going to take a 2 number. If I add a 2 number, I will get the b value, that is minus 15. If I multiple the same value, I will get what answer? AC value. AC value is nothing but 50. So in order to find the two numbers, for that I am going to take a and c. So I am going to take LCM. Then only we can able to know the what are the possibility of combinations of number. So 2, 50, 25 and 5 and 5. These are the three combinations. These are the three numbers and whose combination which gives 50. So for that first I am going to take these two, that is 10 and 1 5. So thereby 10 into 5 I will get 15. So if I add these two I will get plus 15. But here is minus 15. So I am going to use that minus for two number. Therefore now I found the two number is minus 10 and minus 15. If I add this 2 number, I'll get minus 15. If I multiple that 2 number, I'll get 50. So these two numbers satisfy these conditions. Now I'm going to apply these two number in the place of this b value. Where it is b? Here. Here b is there. So I'm going to substitute in that place. So for that I'm going to write the actual equation here. The actual equation is 2x square minus 15x plus 25 is equal to 0. So I'm going to involve minus 10 and minus 15 in the place of this. Therefore, this equation becomes 2x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 25 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, if you see this 2 term, here 2 is common, here 5 into 2 is there. No? So, here also 2 is common. Here x is there, here x is there. So, here x is also common. So, I am going to take 2x out. Remaining is, I am going to take, I take 2 and x, remaining x is there. Similarly, here 2 and x is, I have already taken. So, the remaining is minus 5. Similarly, if we take this 2 number, here 5 is common, here 5 into 5, 25, here also 5 is common, here minus is there. So, in order to get x minus 5 for this side also, I am going to take minus 5 out. Here remaining is plus 6, here if I take 1 minus, remaining is 1 minus is there. So, minus 5 which is equal to 0. So, if we see this 2 term, what will be common? X minus 5 is common, so therefore I am going to take that out. So, remaining term is, here 2x is there, here minus 5 is there. So, now we found these two equations. Now, I am going to equate these two with 0. Therefore, this equation becomes x minus 5 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. That's it. Now, x is equal to, if you just move after the equal to, then it becomes plus 5. Similarly, here 2x which is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 can be written as 2.5. So, now I get a value x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 2.5. Now, I am going to substitute these two values in the actual equation. So, let's verify that. What are the x value we have? We get the two value, that is x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 by 2, that is equal to 2.5. Is it? These are the two value we have. First, I am going to substitute this 5 in the place of this equation. Therefore, this equation becomes 5. Here s is equal to 5 plus 2 into x is 5, 2 into 5 divided by this 5 which is equal to 3. Here 5 get cancelled. Then I will get 1 here. Here 5 cancel. Here 1 is there. So 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 which is equal to 3. Therefore 3 equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 5. Satisfy this equation. So let's keep as it is. Let's check for x is equal to 5 by 2. Then I am going to take x is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. So now I am going to substitute x equal to 5 by 2 in the actual equation. Therefore 5 divided 5 divided by x is equal to is nothing but 5 by 2 plus here 2 into x is equal to 5 by 2 divided by 5 which is equal to 3. So this is in division, so it get reciprocal. Therefore 5 into 2 by 5 plus 2 get cancelled and this 5 get cancelled. Here 1 is there which is equal to 3. This 5 and this 5 cancel, then 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore 3 equal to 3. So both the x values satisfy the given equation. Therefore we decide that x value for this equation is, which is equal to, the answer for this question is x is equal to this 5 and x is equal to this 5 by 2. Okay, that's it. We found the answer. So please practice twice or thrice and you will get a perfect answer every time when you solve the questions. Bye bye.